What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Olivia.
My name is Charlie, playing Minecraft.
Okay. And today we're going to be going to Smallwood, and I am so excited. What do you think, baby? Ready?
And if you don't know what Smallwoods is, it's an animal place, and they have llamas that you can feed.
They're so cute. And so we're going to feed a bunch of animals today, but we wanted to show you our beads. So these are what the beads look like.
Yeah, they are giant.
And I'm going to put a little more water in them to see if they grow. Oops, sorry. I'm going to put a little more water in them to see if they can grow any bigger. So, yeah.
I hope they don't overflow.
They said cold water in it.
You get it, Minecraft? Because I'm playing Minecraft. No, I dumped the bead out.
There. I think that much water should be good. Nice and watery. And guys, I think in this video, I think we should do one of our volcano experiments.
Ooh.
We're gonna fix this glare. It's really sunny.
Yeah, I kind of like yours.
It's okay. I like it sunny, but it's just like
Oh my
an overload.
Now, where will you put all the bedrooms? I don't know.
Let's turn on this light at least.
Where will you put all the bedrooms? Oh, think, Rory, think.
Hey, Charlie. Let's come.
Wait, I have a good idea.
I'm gonna come over here. There, my ratties are over there.
Okay, no, that is a word.
Okay, Charlie. We have 2 volcanoes.
2?
Yeah, we have 2, so we're gonna do 1 today. Look, there's a baby ratty right there. She's so cute. Okay. I think I'm actually gonna move again. Over to here.
Sorry, when we said that we were gonna film about Barbies, we actually had to go to sleep.
Yeah,
'cause
it was like 9 o'clock.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see what we get in this kit.
yeah. Here, I'm gonna sign up.
Whoa! Whoa!
That's cool. What?
1 packet of baking soda.
Ooh, that's what I'd take.
And it includes 1 plastic volcano, so that must be the plastic volcano.
It smells horrible. Smell it.
I think this is the baking soda. I think this is
I
the
don't-
baking soda.
Do you think? 'Cause it doesn't look like baking soda.
It might be colored baking soda. I had colored baking soda for when I did my bath bombs. Okay, let's see what we do. My ears are so big. They're so floppy too. Oh wow, we're gonna need goggles, funnels,
Whoa.
and vinegar.
Here, I'll go get goggles. I know where goggles are.
I'll go get vinegar.
Are you coming with me?
And a funnel. I don't think we have a funnel, but we can make a paper one. Maybe. Let's see. The vinegar isn't out here. What am I doing? All right, so we can look for a funnel, but I'm not positive that we have one. And we don't have malt vinegar, but we have white distilled vinegar. So I think that should work. Hold on, I'm gonna put you here so I can put this back up. Okay, so got the vinegar, very stinky. Now I'm gonna look for a funnel because I'm not positive we have a funnel, but no, there's no funnel in here. But my dad likes to misplace things, and the last time we had a funnel was like a year ago, but I'm not sure if we got a new one or not, so that's why I'm looking still. No, doesn't look like we have a funnel. We can make one out of paper. Okay, so I'm gonna grab. Oh, okay.
I don't know where the other ones are.
That's okay.
Here, can I wear it?
Sure.
Guys, look. I got the set for my birthday. It's not this set, but like it's a Nerf battle thing, and it has like vests, like wait, what are those things called? Bandanas. And they came with these, so I just got these. There were supposed to be two, but I
Can
just
you
found
grab
one.
some scissors, Char?
Yes. Come here. I'm gonna eat you and slice you. You pour it in here. Okay, I do not look cool with this.
So, guys, I'm just making a funnel because we don't have one.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
We have an orange one.
Huh?
We have an orange
That
one.
one broke like 2 years ago.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Daddy. Okay, funnel fits. What do we do now? We need to go outside.
We have to go outside.
Yeah. So it said go to a place that you don't mind getting messy. And it said outside, so we're just gonna go outside then. It's a little chilly out there, but that's okay.
But it's sunny too. Oh, beach cat.
Let's go over here.
Oh, it is a little chilly. And I even closed it up. Bee.
It's still alive.
I don't-
Hold on, I have to save it.
I don't think you guys can see it because it's so freaking sunny outside.
Hey, where'd my funnel go?
I don't know.
Did it fly away?
I don't know. Did you even grab it?
Yeah, I did. It was in the thing.
I don't know. Hi.
Hey. This is my funnel. Hey, hon, go
Okay.
inside. Go inside. Come on. Come on, hon.
We got booty.
Good boy.
Okay.
Guys,
So-
you might not want to look at this part because I'm going to kill it so that I can put it out of its
Okay. It's a scary movie.
I'm going to use
And I'm pointing it down.
this thing.
We just let it climb on there and then, like, put it somewhere. Or bury it. I'm just going to point it down so it's not too sad.
I know I love bees too, guys. Like, I don't like killing them, but I mean, it has to so that it stays alive. I mean, well, it won't stay alive if I kill it,
I feel like bees want to just sting people.
but. Okay. Done.
Okay.
That came out of its booty hole.
Okay,
Okay, let's see what we do next.
It's so freaking sunny. Oh, I'm cold.
Your project, make sure you set up your project and play that can get messy. Okay. Carefully pour 50 milliliters of vinegar.
Okay, I have no idea what to do.
I have to go get.
This looks like ketchup.
I have to go get a measuring cup now. I'll be
Okay.
back. I'm gonna go get a towel for our feet because I'm cold.
Okay. So this is... I forgot. I think it's vinegar. There's really nothing in there. I don't know, guys. It might be a little quiet. And it's very sunny. I know I keep saying that, but I do not like the sun. Oh, she's back. On our right, on my own.
Got a measuring cup.
All right.
I'm just gonna sit on the floor. Makes you warmer.
Poo poo.
Carefully pour 50 mils of vinegar. Charlie, you should sit on your bum. It makes you warmer. Like crisscross.
No more
applesauce.
back to see babe. One more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh. I never seen anybody that they dance to do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me. When you're done, it will make you do it all again. Oh, okay.
Now it's gonna pour some vinegar.
I don't like the smell.
Let's see, is that 50? That's 50.
Okay.
Now what do we do?
Do we pour this in? The ketchup? It's actually not ketchup. It's something. I
Oh, we
don't know.
need the scale.
The scale? Oh, geez. Hold on. Wait, did I crack it? Okay, I didn't. Oh, hi. Oh, there's a scale. It's actually called a food scale. So you, like, weigh your food on it. It's so
Okay,
cool.
Let's see. Through the funnel into the center of the volcano.
Oh, this is where the fun gets. Set it up.
I really don't want to use my funnel. It's gonna get wet.
Hold on. Okay, go. Come on. Volcano.
Charlie, it's not done yet. Dude.
Oh.
Still have to do some more stuff.
Oh, yeah, we have to put this ketchup in.
Next, carefully open the bag of baking soda.
Sure. Can I? And pour it in.
Okay.
No, I won't do it.
No.
Sensei. Do you know how to work that thing?
No.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So this is grams, 3 to 5 grams.
Does grams mean?
That.
Oh.
Let's see how many grams my hand is. $940.
About mine.
1,900.
Jeez. Who is more grams?
You.
Just grams even mean?
Heavy, I think. Biologists that are watching this, please help.
Yeah. Because we're not really scientists.
No.
But
3 grams. 1 gram. 2 grams. Put it on that scale, see? Look at it. 3 grams. That's 3 grams. It says 3 to 5 grams. Let's get a bigger explosion. So let's do 5.
yeah, we need a bigger for all the fans watching.
Oh, that was 6.
Uh-oh.
7.
Oopie.
It's like 3 to 5. What should we do now?
Well, it is gonna make a bigger explosion.
But we want to follow the directions. Let's water the grass with baking soda.
It looks like powder.
There's 5 grams. 5 grams. That's 5 grams. Wow.
Doesn't really look like 5 grams. It looks like fingerprints.
Okay, let's see here. Next thing, Okay, Trevor. We're gonna have to be ready.
Okay. Okay, guys, here comes the fun part.
Be ready to run.
Okay. Oh, I'm so scared.
How am I gonna pour this in?
Pour it in that measuring cup and then just pour it. There. Okay. Oh.
Oh! It said screw the funnel on, but I don't really care. That is cool.
That's so cool. Oh, whoa, he's red.
Guys, we're gonna add more thing. Gonna add more baking soda and some more
Okay,
vinegar.
we need to be ready to put on the cap because I want to see it with the cap on.
I can't open this.
Here, do you want me?
Can you see it?
Yeah. Y'all dance one more time.
What's up? What's up? We're gonna do a science experiment in our thing. That's cool.
Mhm.
Listen.
Cap.
We
Go
need
on.
to add the baking soda, dude.
Here.
Oh, we're breaking this thing. We're gonna break this thing if we don't move it. Let me put this on the table. We're gonna just add a ton of soda.
Soda.
Hurry, put the gun on! Put the gun on!
Hello? Buddy.
What the heck? The time we were prepared.
Oh, I'm scared.
There's not enough stuff in there. Nope.
Got the cap.
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so cool!
Well, I got it on my
The
hand.
cap wasn't on all the way though. Should we try that again?
Yeah. This is
I'm
fun.
gonna roll my sleeves up this time.
I'm gonna wipe it on my jammies.
Luckily. Okay.
Pajamas.
Okay, let's see. Let's dump that out.
Okay. On the right.
Now we're just gonna
on the right.
eyeball it.
Hey, bomb, bomb, bomb. Hey, grapes. Walk, walk, dog, to the corner store. Anything to the woman, round in the store. Hey, bob, bob, bob. Connie, grapes?
Oh dear, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's
Oh,
coming.
oh, jeez. It looks like a hot dog.
Charlie Boo is gonna erupt. Whoa, it has smoke coming off of it. That's so cool.
That is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's right there. I know, I'm a terrible cameraman. Call me a noob. No, don't, actually.
Noob.
Okay, you can.
Yeah.
Slash, no, actually comment slash bad cameraman.
Hashtag.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. There's blood on the sidewalk.
That's fun.
I'm not putting my hands in there. But I'll put it on YouTube.
No, don't.
Here,
What should we call you guys? Like,
YouTube fans.
the Cholivias? Oraries? I'm not sure.
Yeah, let's call it the Oraries.
Now, comment down below, guys. Should we name them, guys? Look, there's like goldfish.
Okay, can we go in? I'm freezing.
It's cold out here.
Then let's go in.
Well, you'll have to wait until all of the powder is gone.
Oh, Jesus. Whoa! That's so cool. What the heck was that noise? Oh my gosh, now I can see.
Look, do you see that smoke coming off?
No, I don't.
I do.
Oh my gosh, can we go in?
That was fun.
Okay.
Let's keep that out here. My fingers are burning.
Why?
Don't know. That's why we need to go inside.
Should we film Barbies?
Yeah. That's it.
But who am I gonna be? A superhero?
You can. You could be Spidey.
Or giant Hulk with no...
Foot.
With... Yeah. And I think he lost a hand too.
Charlie, can you pick up that funnel and the measuring thing?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my feet are so cold.
Me too. Oh, lovely. It's lovely.
All right. Now what are we doing? Oh my gosh, it is so much better. Hi, dog. Hi,
Wash my
hi,
hands.
other dog. Okay. I haven't ate breakfast.
Me either. Should we
Eat some. Eat some what?
breakfast?
No, first let's play with Barbies.
Yeah. It's 9:14. We have like 30 minutes.
Huh?
We have like 30 minutes.
Until what?
You have to go to small room.
Oh, good one. All right. So I guess we're just gonna go in here.
Hi.
Yeah, we're filming
Going to Small Woods.
right now.
Yeah.
Not yet. Daddy has to get ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we're gonna play with Barbies for just a little bit.
I want to play Barbies.
No.
You gonna play two felon?
What? I thought it was just gonna be me and Sissy. Please have me and Sissy. Sissy can call and play. Oh, okay. Cause I'm like, Colin, I thought me and Sissy were just.
I'm gonna go get the house. Colin, do you want to come? Come on, guys,
Okay.
let's go.
I'm going to get
Yeah. Baking soda. Right, damn it, we had to measure it.
Clean it up. It's still illegal.
Right, I'm gonna clean that. We have so many Barbie accessories. They're so. Alright, let's go out the garage. Our house might look very big, but it's actually pretty small. There's a Barbie house.
It's a mint.
Yeah.
I haven't had breakfast yet.
Oh,
Me
yeah.
either.
That little baby.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
He was saying
Can
that
you
old
carry
baby.
some stuff?
Huh?
I can only hold like one tiny thing.
No, we're not gonna use these,
Why?
Okay.
That's a huge table.
but it only has this. No. We have so many other toys that they're gonna go get it.
Oh yeah.
Kill the shower.
Okay.
Good.
I want to carry the bed.
I'm gonna break this thing.
They don't. It was like $100.
Hi, hi.
It broke. What? This phone smells so good. Tire.
Smell.
Tire. Okay. And we have Conan. Conan.
Yeah.
Sissy. Sissy. I mean, duck.
Ow!
Duck.
Like, hurt my calf.
Ow. We actually have like money for the Barbies.
Go, baby.
Like, it's so crazy. We have like every single accessory you can imagine.
No, that's not true.
No. I wish we had like, what else? What else do we have? We have Oreos. I'm not gonna spoil all of it, so yeah.
Where's our kitchen?
I don't know.
Kitchen. We need you. But that was where all of our food was.
Oh.
Like, literally all of it. It could be
Yeah.
anywhere. Oh my god.
Oh wait. I think Mom hid it in the Barbie box. I think I saw it.
Over here.
Okay, guys, cross your fingers for the kitchen.
Girl, you got covered up.
Jeez. There are so much
I'm gonna collect some Barbies that we're gonna use.
I don't want to show them the I don't want to say it or else I'll delete it.
Just don't say it then.
Okay. I just don't want to show them.
Okay, oops. Let's use you. You're cute. You're adorable. Okay,
Oh wait, I think that was my Barbie.
No, that was mine. I
Okay.
had the
Sorry. Wait, what is mine with the rubber legs?
Colin. Oh, Trey, yeah, this was yours. Yours was a rubber-legged ball.
This is mine.
Colin, this is yours.
Yeah, Colin has a gymnastics teacher. She's like, "Hello, Cole Benjamin."
Okay, find my Barbie. Oh, look, I found a leg. This is our cashier.
That is
He
a
has the weirdest looking hair.
yeah.
What is going on, girl? You
What
are
the-
not our cashier anymore.
No.
Every year.
Yeah, she was our cashier last time.
Okay. There.
Okay, you need on some clothes, by the way.
Get her this.
Yeah, get here. Let's make her fancy.
I have a whole wardrobe, Charlie.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll show you guys the wardrobe.
Charlie,
Here's the giant wardrobe.
blanket.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna keep.
Wait, no,
I'm
Charlie.
show you a tiny bit.
Here, look.
Oh, okay, okay.
Tiny bit. Ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Did you guys see it? Oh, no.
There we go.
All right, that's all you got.
That's all you guys get for now, but we'll show
Yeah.
you the grand reveal when we start playing, if we can even find the freaking kitchen.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, Char, you dropped the blanket,
Oops.
dude.
Is that oh, I thought those were bananas for a second. They're actually flowers. And there is Ariel's thing.
Oh, look, a brand phone.
I wish we had like an actual store. That would be literally so helpful.
Be so cool.
Doggy!
No.
I know we're not using them. But I can see some food at the bottom.
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Thanos, do you work? Please work. Nope. He's dead.
We also have a bunch of shoes for her as well.
Oh wait. Hold on. This is their controller.
No, let's not use that. Where's their stool?
I don't... The stool for the controller?
YouTube.
Oh.
Remember?
Oh yeah, from Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, we bought so much stuff.
But now it's all gone.
Up here.
Yeah, what about up there? But that's all like shop. No, I see the kitchen.
That's not
Oh.
the kitchen.
I was so excited. We'll leave that there because I don't know how to put that back in.
So,
Charlie?
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, guys, let's go. Wait, where's the freaking blanket?
You have it.
Okay.
Because you weren't home.
We're about to move
Put
that.
some dress in this bag. Dress in her.
Clothes? Yeah, let's put Barbie's go in and shower.
Hey, baby, can you hold this? Thank you.
Where the heck is the kitchen?
I want the kitchen.
Yeah, that's literally where all the food was. Here, I'll go ask Mom. I'm gonna go ask her where the kitchen is.
Look, Charlie, packages.
Packages? Oh yeah, and
packages.
books.
Books?
Where's the money? I don't know.
Where's the garbage can too?
We don't have a garbage can.
No, that tiny garbage can.
Here. I'll go ask Mom where the kitchen is. Okay, you guys are in my dollhouse. Hey, Colin, do you think you could open the door, please? Don't record Mom. Oh, dear, Charlie.
Oh,
I got it. Whoa.
got this. That big. And big.
It's on top of the bed. It's up here. Okay. Let's go down the hallway into my room. Let's go down the hallway. We're going in my room. We'll move it after. We're just gonna put it right here.
Hey, no doggos allowed.
No dogs.
No. Hey,
Hi.
hello.
Okay.
I got the Barbie stuff.
Thank you,
I
baby.
got these.
All right. So we got this stuff. Not the kitchen. Not the kitchen.
This
sadly.
one.
That's Charlie's. Squeaky.
Yes, he is. Thank you.
Oh, I need the wardrobe.
Oh, yeah.
I'll go get the wardrobe.
Oh, I want the kitchen. That's
Me
where all
too.
the food was.
Come on.
Here's the shower.
Yeah, shower.
We're going to put it here.
It actually sprays out water. No, I'm kidding.
And this one.
Oh. Since you come me like I don't know what to say. Oh, she's all books. Guys, look. So these books are so cool. Look, these
And
actually open up. It's crazy. Whoa.
try
Like,
can.
look at that. That is all
Try.
books.
Hey, Daddy, open the door.
Okay.
Drop this wardrobe.
Uh-oh.
Wow, the wardrobe. That's a big hole.
So many books. Okay, Char, what are you doing?
Excuse me.
This is the longest toothbrush I've ever seen for a Barbie.
And I also brought something else for our store.
Ooh.
Okay.
I want to
She
sit.
can't even hold the toothbrush. Colin, I'm always not in like.
No.
Baby
She
Colin.
needs some clothes.
No, she doesn't.
Colin, you need
To
No, she needs some
No,
clothes.
Colin, you need to wait for just a second. Can you wait for 1 second?
Try. You fix it on the arm.
Alrighty, guys. Colin is supposed to be like that.
Oh! Okay, so you're gonna be in our kitchen, I guess. Guys, how about we just test out some more of our stuff? Yeah. And then we're just gonna play Barbies. We're gonna play a little bit of Barbies because it's really hard to film and play with them at the same time. But we will film them unboxing their toys. So yeah, this video is already 35 minutes, so we'll see you when that unboxing thing happens, and yeah, we'll see you all next time. Bye!
Bye.